Hello YouTube, part 2, Prius 2004 to 2009 Mark II, double day installation without any fancy cables. It's all installed, as you can see. Sat nav, everything is working. I don't want to play any music because of copyrights, and rest is all up and running. Sound speakers. I wish I can try and play something on YouTube. Yeah, I will show you. Only funny thing was nothing went wrong in terms of wiring and stuff. Everything was fine. Only I ordered this these fascia kind of thing, where they send me these two side ones, and I had an issue with making some adjustments on existing bracket, taking it off and just messing around with the alignment and all that stuff. So best thing is you can kind of order full fascia, or otherwise you can have to mess around. And also, if you want to order, you can order this side housing as well. So unless you want to play with it, but rest I will show you what needs doing, etc., to make it work. It all works fine. If I turn the power off, it just powers off fine without any problem. Switch it on, turns on. The other one is also on. Also, these two wires, still waiting for that resistor. 68 ohm resistor is required for these two wires for climate control to be displayed on the screen. If I do it now, there's all you see. It says it's not connected. I just need to put resistor on these two wires, and then this will start working. But yeah, rest I can show you. Let me just take the screw off. Okay, as I said, I've been messing around with all this alignment thing, so I had to kind of use these metal brackets they send to it, and then slide it back and forward just to make adjustment, just to bring it forward. Otherwise, this goes so backwards, and you're going to need some kind of fascia to kind of cover it. It just goes so deep. There's about it goes up here, so you're going to need some kind of a fascia to cover that thing. Otherwise, you can use this thing. I got these nut bolt from Euro car parts. Yeah, you can use them. Yeah, and rest I can show you in terms of wiring. It's all a bit messy. Okay, so the main ones, the one you need to power it on, we can start with that one first. Okay, see this thick yellow wire? That's a constant power, and that goes with this light blue and yellow, gets connected together. And this is the ignition one, power on ignition, red one, right? And I decided to move the earth over there. See that black one? Black one goes there. It is a pipe, and I just decided to stick it there. That's the best thing, and leave that green one on the side. Rest are all speakers technically. That's for the light dim. That's 24.7 volts. So that's technically your when lights come on and it just gets dim or light goes up and down, so it's that thing. These are speakers, and grey ones. Let me show you these ones. Front, back, two front, two back. So these are front, right? These are front, and then these two also speaker ones. You can stick wherever you want technically, and you can check. Let me put this one on the side. Forget these brown and green, that's not going anywhere. But yeah, these two, 1, 2, so front, back, and these two are also like speaker ones, the rear ones, left side, right side. You can see the colors. Right, white ones, white, black, white. So normal white goes here, black, white goes here, grey on top, grey, black at the back. Same principle here. Normal purple here, purple, black goes back. Normal green, black, green. Right. So these are speakers as well, rear ones. It's tested it like it has an option where you can go like a driver, pilot, co-pilot, and then rear, back, rear right, and rear left. Okay, that's for the aerial. Yeah, so that's about it. So, and that's for the camera. I don't have the camera at the minute, and I will make another video for the steering controllers. Keep watching and subscribe for it. Thank you.